You never would have guessed why you have a small pink angle in your eye. The answer will surprise you. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered why you have a small pink angle in your eye and what does it mean? Well, if your answer is no, then you should watch the video. You will be surprised. The medical experts say that the tiny crescent-shaped area within the pink corner of the eye is also known as the plica semilunaris. This area has been the subject of much discussion and debate, especially amongst evolutionists and creationists, because this area of the eye is thought to be a remnant from our evolutionary history, when we had a spare eyelid that shot out from this area. Yes, we all know that we no longer have a spare third eyelid that can slide horizontally across our eyes. Reptiles, amphibians, fish, birds, and some mammals, polar bears, seals and aardvarks to name a few, do still have this interesting translucent structure, whose technical term is the nictitating membrane. In these animals it is used to clean and protect the eyes much like our eyelids do. It is also used to protect the eyes from the sun or glare, acting like sunglasses, or it can act like goggles when the animals are underwater. Many experts around the world say that the presence of this pink crescent in the corner of our eyes is proof that we evolved from creatures that once had a functional nictitating membrane. Their argument is that we have retained this now pretty much useless vestigial organ because it hasn't yet been selected against by evolution. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.
How to possibly save and restore your eyesight with one ingredient. Many people around the world are having problems with their eyes. And if you're one of them, then you're probably tired of going to your eye doctor and spending a lot of money on trendy glasses, right? Have you ever noticed that the doctors prescribe you new glasses every year? And you are really mad because your eyesight theoretically should have got better, but it didn't. And this is the main reason why we all buy expensive glasses that should improve your vision, right? But this is the real and ugly truth. Unfortunately, your glasses can only help you see better, but they won't improve your vision. And you should also know that your vision will get worse if you don't address the root of the problem. But don't worry, because we have the right answer for you. In this video we are going to show you how to use this powerful ingredient to save and restore your eyesight. The name of this miraculous ingredient is saffron. Yes, many experts around the world think that saffron is one of the easiest way to improve your eyesight naturally. Saffron might save your eyesight. First, you should know that saffron can slow the progression of eye diseases like macular degeneration, which causes blindness. Let me ask you a simple question: have you ever heard of saffron? Collected by hand from the deep red stamens of the saffron crocus, the saffron spice is worth up to $800 per pound depending on its quality. It is used in a variety of applications, including as a food spice, a coloring agent, and a treatment for disease. Some 90 illnesses and counting can be treated with saffron. What's saffron? Well, saffron is a spice that contains the antioxidant carotenoids crocin and crocetine among other ingredients, with strong antioxidative, cellular and neuroprotective properties. Crocin from saffron has antioxidant activity stronger than alpha-tocopherol, and can prevent the formation of peroxidized lipids, and can partly restore superoxide dismutase activity. The health benefits of saffron are shown to be due to these two carotenoids. Note, a recent study has discovered that taking oral supplementation of saffron 20 mg per day, for 3 months in patients with early-stage age-related macular degeneration, AMD or ARMD, induced a significant improvement of retinal function and visual acuity. The famous Professor Silvia Bisti, who carried out the research in patients with age-related macular degeneration, patients' vision improved after taking the saffron pill. This has created a hope that saffron may be the natural answer to stop or delay vision loss from macular degeneration. In the eye study, macular degeneration patients who ate a diet containing saffron began to experience cell recovery, which resulted in improved vision. Professor Silvia Bisti, the lead researcher of the study, said, "Saffron appears to affect genes that regulate the fatty acid content of the cell membrane, and this makes the vision cells tougher and more resilient." How much saffron is recommended? Can we get it in our diet, or is supplementation necessary? Well, the medical experts say that you should follow these instructions. For the eye health benefits, one needs to take 20 milligrams of high-quality saffron per day. Yes, one can take similar amount of saffron spice that is added to the food or prepared as a tea. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.